Hey guys, Tony here. This is going to be more of an update on Strong price really over anything. I'm not really going to do an ETA. I think Strong is going to keep going up. I mean, I have a short-term price target of, 894-ish. Long-term, that is something that I'll go into a different video, but it's my long-term price is kind of a pretty big jump from here. But for those of you guys holding any Strong nodes, the official payout right now would be a little bit over $2,000 per node at Strong coins being 719. So 719 times 3, you're essentially making $2,100 per node. Right now I have 3 nodes, so my payout, if I wanted to cash out in January instead of compound, I would be making $6,471 for the month of January. For on the 21st of January, I would essentially cash out passively $6,400 at the current price of Strong being 719. Keep in mind, I will be making another video going a little bit more depth into price and market cap and the development and all this other good stuff. But for those of you guys that bought Strong along with me, I bought Strong back when it was between like 400 4,500. So we've seen a really good rally ever since then. I actually bought it because on the weekly my reverse MACD was showing that it was about to close a bullish week. Thankfully I bought in when I did, and we did shoot up that essentially an extra 50, 60, 75% from where we all kind of purchased when I originally released my Strong node video. So if you guys bought in right there, congratulations. Everybody's getting like a pretty sweet 50 to like 70% increase just on their entry price. But yeah, so far right now, we're all looking at a 2,100 plus payout per node every month, as long as Strong stays at these levels. But I will be releasing a video talking a little bit more about the development team and where I think the price of Strong is going. But it hit highs of 740, which is absolutely ridiculous. So next stop, $800, and then we'll kind of go from there. Just a really quick update video on Strong. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.